The sage in bloom is like perfume deep in the heart of Texas.
Semua kita mulanya hanya dari bawah, tak ada yang terus melangkah. BQ on the move mula dari bawah tanah. Rehat dulu tengah kumpul senjata, supaya halangan senang direda. Tak dari
Hi, I'm Laura Crawford, your Final Mile e-learning manager here at Kelly Anderson Group. I wanted to let you know about a new addition to our e-learning services powered by Carrier's Edge. Dashcam integration will take your Vetter system and our e-learning and provide automatic training to any individuals once a Dashcam event is recorded. It will help keep your team's safety #1 priority. If you have any questions or would like more information, do not hesitate to reach out to your Final Mile support team at support@impactsolutions.co, or for non-Final Mile interest, reach out to Jeremy Morrissey at jeremy@kellyandersongroup.com. From everyone here at Kelly Anderson Group, I hope you have a great day.
Some people are really fucking stupid. Did you ever notice that? How many really stupid people you run into during the day? God damn, there's a lot of stupid bastards walking around.
Xả táo vào luôn, mẹ mẹ